Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. I am Mark.
Hi, friends. I am Brian.
Today's lesson title is Stop Apologizing for Your English. 5 confidence-building phrases for real conversations. Brian will show you what happened when he went to the post office. He stopped saying, "Sorry, my English is bad," and started using powerful phrases instead.
Yes, you will learn 5 confidence-building phrases. You will also hear a real story and an important life lesson. Are you ready? Let's go.
But first, a very important tip. So many English learners say this every day. "Sorry, my English is bad." They say it before they even try. And when you say that, you are already telling your brain to feel small. You are already apologizing for something that does not need an apology. You are learning. You are trying. That is something to be proud of, not sorry for.
I used to say it all the time. Every shop, every office, every phone call. Sorry, my English is bad. And every time I said it, I felt worse. My confidence went down. My voice became quiet. People sometimes didn't even wait for me to finish.
Exactly. So today, we are going to replace that one bad habit with 5 powerful phrases. 5 phrases that will make you sound confident, polite, and capable, even when you don't know every word, even when you make a mistake. These phrases are your tools. Learn them, practice them, use them every single day.
And I promise you, they work. I used them at the post office last Monday and everything changed. But first, let's learn all 5 phrases together.
Okay, let's act out the post office scene. Watch carefully. I will play the clerk. Brian will show you the wrong way first, and then the right way. Next in line, please. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I want to send this. I'm sorry, my English is...
No, stop there, Brian. No more sorry. Use the new phrases. Try again.
Right, okay. Phrase number 1. I am looking for the word for this, and I point to the envelope.
That is called a padded envelope. Do you want first class or standard?
Phrase number 2. Can you say that again, please?
Of course. Do you want it delivered tomorrow or in 3 days?
Tomorrow, please. And I also need phrase number 3. Let me try that again. I need to buy 2 stamps, please.
Of course. That will be $5.
Phrase number 4. Thanks for your patience.
No problem at all. You are doing great.
And phrase number 5. How do you say this in English? And I point to the small sticker on the package.
That is called a return label. You write your address there in case the package comes back.
Perfect! See how smooth that was? No apology, no shame, just 5 simple phrases and the whole conversation worked.
Now let's practice all 5 together. Repeat after Brian. Say them out loud. Don't just read them in your head. Your mouth needs to practice too.
I am looking for the word for...
Can you say that again, please?
Let me try that again.
Thanks for your patience.
How do you say this in English?
Beautiful. Now, post office vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Padded envelope. Stamp. Package. First class. That means fast delivery. Standard. That means slower delivery. Return label. Practice sentences. I need to send this package. I want to buy stamps, please. I would like first-class delivery.
Now let me tell you the full story. Last Monday, I woke up early. I had a big task for the day. I prepared birthday gifts for my family members. I wrapped the gifts very carefully. I put them in boxes. I wrote the addresses on the front. I checked everything 2 times. Then I went to the post office.
What was it like when you arrived?
The post office was very busy. There were many people in line. I stood and waited. While I was waiting, I started to feel nervous. My heart was beating a little fast. I kept thinking, what if I don't know the words? What if I say something wrong? What if the clerk speaks too fast?
That feeling is so normal. Almost every English learner feels that way.
Yes, but this time I remembered our 5 phrases and I told myself, I don't need perfect English today. I just need brave English. When my turn came, I took a deep breath. At first, almost by habit, I started to say, sorry, my English is, but I stopped myself and I used the phrases instead.
And what happened?
The clerk was wonderful, so patient, so kind. I sent the package first class. I bought 5 stamps. I paid the money. I said thanks for your patience, and she smiled and said, you are very welcome. Have a great day.
That is exactly what happens when you use polite, confident phrases. People respond with kindness.
And then the funny part.
Tell us.
When I walked out of the post office, I reached my bag and realized I had forgotten one letter inside. I had to go back in, and I walked up to the same clerk and said, I am looking for the word, I forgot something inside. She laughed kindly and said, of course, take your time. I felt confident, not embarrassed, not shy, confident.
Past tense review, everyone. Listen to all the verbs Brian used. I woke up. I prepared. I wrapped. I sent. I bought. I realized. I used. I felt. All past tense. All simple. All natural. Repeat. Yesterday, I sent a package. I used good phrases at the post office. I felt confident when I spoke English. Was that the end of the story?
No. When I came home feeling happy, my cousin Alex called me. Now, Alex is not a wealthy man. He does not have a car or a big house. He lives in a small apartment. But he is a very arrogant person.
What does arrogant mean?
Arrogant means he thinks he is better than other people. He does not appreciate little things. He always looks for big, impressive things and ignores everything simple. When I told him about my day, about the post office, about the gifts, about using the 5 phrases, he said in a proud voice, why do you waste time on such small things? I have more important work to do.
Oh, how did that make you feel?
I felt sad. Not angry, sad. Because I know what his life looks like. Because of his arrogance, people do not enjoy being around him. He has no close friends. He sits alone many times. When something good happens to others, he does not celebrate with them. When someone makes a mistake, he criticizes instead of helping. He complains about everything. The weather, the traffic, the food, everything.
And yet, he has no major problems. No serious illness, no financial disaster.
Exactly. That is the saddest part. His life is okay on the outside, but his attitude makes it feel empty on the inside. I thought to myself, this man could be happy. He has enough. But arrogance is stealing his joy every single day.
New vocabulary, everyone. Arrogant means proud in a bad way. The opposite is humble, kind and modest. Attitude means how you think and behave toward life and people. And complain means to always say negative things about everything. Practice. I try to be humble. I am thankful for small things. My attitude makes my life better.
That night, I praised God. I said, thank you, God, for my simple life. I can go to the post office, I can talk to people, I can make mistakes and still smile. I can learn English and feel proud of every small step. I am not arrogant, and that is a gift.
Let's tell the whole story again with simple sentences. This is your listening and speaking practice. Ready, Brian?
Ready. Last Monday, I woke up early. I prepared birthday gifts. I wrapped the boxes. I went to the post office. I felt nervous at first, but I used the 5 confidence phrases. I did not apologize for my English. I sent the package first class. I bought 5 stamps. I paid the money. I felt confident and happy. Then I realized I forgot a letter. I went back inside. and I still felt confident. Later, my cousin Alex called. He is arrogant. He does not see little things. He has no close friends because of his attitude. That night, I praised God for my humble heart, for my simple life, for my brave English.
Beautiful. Now your turn. Practice the 5 phrases one more time. Say them out loud, loudly and clearly.
I am looking for the word for this.
Can you say that again, please?
Let me try that again.
Thanks for your patience.
How do you say this in English?
Every day this week, use one of these phrases in real life, in a shop, in a cafe, at the post office, on the phone. Record yourself saying them. Listen back. You will be surprised how confident you already sound. The only difference between a shy learner and a confident speaker is practice. That's all. Just practice.
And here's something important I want you to remember. You do not need perfect English. Nobody does. Even native speakers make mistakes every day. What you need is brave English, willing English, kind English. English that says, I am here, I am trying, I am not giving up.
Why do we share this story?
Because learning English is about real conversations, real post offices, real clerks, real nervous moments, and real victories. Stop apologizing. Use these 5 phrases. Speak with confidence. And remember always, stay humble, stay thankful, because a good attitude is more valuable than perfect grammar.
Write in the comments below, which of the 5 phrases will you use this week? And what small thing are you grateful for today? It can be anything. A warm cup of tea, a kind person you met, a new English word you learned. Write it, share it. Let's build a grateful, confident community together.
You are doing so great. Honestly, the fact that you are here, watching and learning, that already makes you braver than you think. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never apologize for learning.
See you in the next lesson.
God bless you all. Bye.
Remember, small phrases plus a good attitude equals big confidence. You don't need perfect English, you need brave English. Health, kindness, and humility are the real treasures. Bye, everyone.